Tonight, former President Trump continues defending his actions after being arrested and arraigned.
He is facing 34 felony charges, including a surprise allegation. CBS 2's Jessica Moore here now with more on what we're learning from court documents today. Jessica?
Well, Christina Maurice, in addition to the indictment, DA Alvin Bragg also released a 13-page statement of facts, giving more insight into the evidence he used to secure that indictment. And experts say the most damning evidence goes far beyond porn stars and hush money.
We cannot and will not normalize serious criminal conduct.
Moments after yesterday's historic arraignment, District Attorney Alvin Bragg broke his silence to lay out the case that Trump orchestrated a scheme to influence the 2016 presidential election by suppressing negative stories with hush money payments, including to adult film star Stormy Daniels, who received $130,000 from Trump's then-fixer Michael Cohen, $150,000 to former Playboy model Karen McDougal, who said she had an affair with Trump, and $30,000 to a former Trump Tower doorman who claimed Trump fathered a child out of wedlock, a story later found to be false.
Under New York state law, it is a felony to falsify business records with intent to defraud and an intent to conceal another crime.
But an unexpected accusation inside the indictment claims Trump also falsified his business records as part of a plan to deceive state tax authorities. In the statement of facts, Bragg laid out a Trump-led conspiracy, writing, quote, "The participants also took steps that mischaracterized, for tax purposes, the true nature of the payments made in furtherance of the scheme."
How does the idea that Trump falsified the records in order to deceive state tax authorities strengthen the case?
If you are to look sheerly at changing your business records to deceive taxing authority, it's clear as day that this is a felony charge, and that's Donald Trump's biggest problem.
Hours after Trump left Manhattan yesterday, he and his attorneys fired back.
I never thought anything like this could happen in America.
It's not exactly accurate to say he claimed it as a business expense. He did not. You know, this indictment was very vanilla. I mean, it did not list the underlying crimes he's allegedly intended to cover up.
And under New York state law, prosecutors are not required to list the underlying crimes. DA Bragg alluded to that in his press conference yesterday. Trump pled not guilty. His attorneys have already vowed to fight the charges and even file a motion to dismiss. Christine Maurice.
A lot more details to come.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jessica.